Hi, in this question, I'm going to continue solving practice question, quadratic expression, and equation. Let's proceed number 1. Here we can multiply across each other. So 9 times 4x minus 5 is equal to 3 times 4x plus 1. Before we multiply, we can simply divide both of them by divide by 3. This will be 3 multiplied by 4x minus 5 equal to 4x plus 1. So we'll multiply this bracket expanded. 12x minus 15 equal to 4x plus 1. So it's going to be 12x minus 4x equal to 15 plus 1. So 8x equal to 16. So both of them we simplify, divide by 8. So x equal to 2. Next for b. The numerator are not equal, so we can multiply the numerator and multiply cross each other. So it's 4 multiplied by x plus 8 minus by 3 multiplied by x plus 2. And the numerator we just multiplied x plus 2 we multiply by x plus 8 equal to 1. Okay, proceed 4x plus 32 minus 3 times x minus 3x minus 3 times 2 is minus 6 divided by x squared. 2 plus 8 is 10 x, and then 2 times 8 is 16 equal to 1. Okay, here we can move it to the right side. So 4x minus 3x is x. 32 minus 6 gonna be 26 equal to x squared plus 10x plus by 16. So it's gonna be 0. X squared plus 9x because 10x minus x. And then here 16 minus by 26 is minus 10. So we factorize it, x plus 10 and x minus 1 equal to 0. So x will be x plus 10 equal to 0. So x is going to be minus 10. Or x equal to x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 1. There you go. Next for C. Okay, here 1 we can move it to the another side. So it will be 2 over x equal to 9 over x plus 3 minus by 1 over x plus 3. Okay, the numerator are equal. So let's proceed it. So 2 over x equal to 9 minus 1 is going to be 8 divided by x plus 3. So we multiply across each other. So 2 times x plus 3 equal to 8x. So expanded to x plus 6 equal to 8x. 6 equal to 6x. So x equal to 1. D. Let's do it here for D. So we can move it 1 over x minus 1. Here move it to the right side to be positive equal to 2 over x plus 1 plus by 2x over x plus 1. The numerator are equal, so we can just proceed 1 over x minus 1. 2 plus 2x is 2 plus 2x. We divide by x plus 1. Multiply across each other. So it's going to be x plus 1 equal to x minus 1. Multiply by 2 plus 2x. So this is going to be x times 2 is 2x. X times 2x is plus 2x squared. Minus 1 times 2 is minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2x. X plus 1. So here we simplify. It's going to be 2x squared minus 2 is x plus 1 equal to 0. So this is 2x squared minus x and minus 3. So it's going to be 2x and x plus 1 and minus 3. Okay, equal to 0. So this will be x equal to 3 over 2 or x equal to minus 1. Look at it. We got 2 over x plus 1. If x minus 1 is going to be unidentified, so we cannot use the second one. So x will be 3 over 2 only. Next E. Okay, here we can multiply this side by x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 1 as well. So it will be 2 over x squared minus 1 minus by x minus 1 over x squared minus 1 equal to, here we can multiply by x plus 1, here also x plus 1. So this is x plus 1 over x squared minus 1. Okay, let's proceed. So this is going to be 2 minus by minus 1 is 3 minus x over x squared minus 1 equal to x plus 1 over x squared minus 1. Okay, we can multiply it across each other. So it's going to be 3 minus x times x squared minus 1 equal to x plus 1 multiplied by x squared minus 1. Okay, we got the common. So we could simplify it, both of them. We divide by x squared minus 1. Here also divide by x squared minus 1. So this we just cross. So it's going to be 3 minus x equal to x plus 1. So 3 minus 1 equal to x plus x. So 2 equal to 2x. So x equal to 1. There we go. Next, the last. For f. Okay, we can factorize it. So x and here also x. What number? When we multiply it equal to 12, but when we addition equal to 4. Okay, we got it, plus 6 and minus by 2. Okay, here also we can factorize it. So 3 the common, so x minus by 2 equal to minus 2. Okay, we got the common, we can cross cancel it. So this will give us x plus 6 over 3 equal to minus 2. 3 we can multiply to the right side. So x plus 6 equal to minus 2 times 3. So x plus 6 equal to minus 6. So x equal to minus 6. Here we move it, so minus 6. So x equal to minus by 12. There it is. Next, number 9. For the following, solve the following quadratic equation. Okay, here. So for a, the common is x, and then we got x minus by 3 equal to 0. So first x equal to 0, or x minus 3 equal to 0 and x equal to 3. Here the x. Next, for b, we can factorize it. So 8 and then 8x squared. Okay, so this will be 8. And then x squared minus by 4 equal to 0. So we can just write x squared minus 4 equal to 0. So x squared equal to 4. So x equal to plus minus square root of 4. So first x gonna be 2, and then the second x gonna be minus 2. As for here, move it to the right side. 6x squared minus 12x equal to 0. Their highest common factor each term is 6x equal to 6. 6x bracket, so it's going to be x minus by 2 equal to 0. So first we got 6x equal to 0, so x equal to 0. Or x minus 2 equal to 0, so x equal to 2. Next, let us make it positive. Divide by negative, so this is going to be 24x squared plus 16x equal to 0. Their highest common factor for each is going to be 24 and 16. We can divide by 8x. So 24 we divide by 8 is going to be 3x plus by 2 equal to 0. So we got, I will write it here, 8x equal to 0, so x equal to 0, or 3x plus 2 equal to 0, so x equal to minus 2 over 3. Okay, for here, okay, we got it. So x squared equal to 1, and then x equal to plus minus square root of 1. So the first x is 1, or x equal to minus by 1. Here, multiplied by negative 1. So it's going to be 4x squared minus by 49 equal to 0. So it's going to be 4x squared equal to 49, or x squared equal to 49 over 4. Then just make it square root. So x equal to plus and minus square root of 49 over 4. So we got the first x is square root of 49 is 7 over 2, or x equal to negative 7 over 2. Now it's h. Okay, we could divide it by 2, simplify it. It's gonna be 4x squared equal to 1. So x squared equal to 1 over 4. So then x equal to plus minus square root of 1 over 4. So we got it. First x is gonna be 1 over 2, or x2 will be negative 1 over 2. Okay, here we need to think of two numbers. X equal to 0. So what number when we multiply equal to 8, when we addition equal to 6? Okay, we got it. 4 and then 2. So first x, so we get it x plus 4 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 4, or x plus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 2. Sorry. Next is I. So we bracket x equal to 0. When we addition equal to 4, when we multiply equal to 4. When we addition equal to 5, when we multiply equal to 4. So this is 4 and 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 times 1 is 4. So we got first x plus 4 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 4, or x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1. Next here. So we got x equal to 0. When we multiply it equal to minus 5. But when we addition equal to minus 4. This addition is multiplied. So we got minus 5 plus 1. Addition is minus 4 and multiplied is going to be minus 5. So we got it x minus 5 equal to 0. So first x equal to 5. Or we got x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to minus by 1. Next question here, x. When we multiply equal to minus 20. When we addition equal to plus 1. So we got minus 5 plus 4 equal to 0. So first we got x minus 5 equal to 0. So x equal to 5. Or x plus 4 equal to 0. So x equal to minus by 4. Next we have to make it equal to 0. So this will be x squared plus 8x minus by 20 equal to 0. Okay. You can just factorize it x. Okay, to make it minus 20, but when we addition it's gonna be plus 8. So we got plus by 10 and minus by 2 equal to 0. 10 plus minus 2 is 8. 10 times minus 2 is minus 20. Okay, we got it. X plus 10 equal to 0. So x gonna be minus 10. Or x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 2. Next, remember we always to make it equal to 0. So x squared minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. So x here and x again equal to 0. Addition gonna be 8, but when we multiply it equal to 15. So minus 3 and minus 5. So first x minus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to 3. Or x minus 5 equal to 0. So x equal to 5. You remember we always make it equal to 0. So here we just move it to the left side. X squared minus 70x minus 60 equal to 0. Okay, to make it minus 60. So 60 times 1, not 17. So this is no. So 20 times 3. Okay, look at it. So 20 times minus 3. Okay, we will use it here. So x minus by 20 and x plus 3. When we addition, it's gonna be minus 17, but when we multiply, it equal to minus 16. Equal to 0. So first x minus 20 equal to 0. So x equal to 20. Or x plus 3 equal to 0. So x will be minus 3. Remember, we make it equal to 0. So it's going to be x squared minus 15x plus by 56 equal to 0. Okay, to make it 56. So 56 times 1, no. This is no. So to make it 2, let's check it 2. 2 times 28. This is no. To make it 15. Okay, we got it. So 7 times 8. Yeah, minus 7 times minus. Okay, we got it. So x minus 7 and x times minus 8. When we multiply, it's gonna be 56. But when we addition, it's gonna be 15, minus 15. So first x minus 7 equal to 0. So x equal to 7. Or x minus 8 equal to 0. So x equal to 8. Now p. 100. When we addition, it's gonna be minus 20. But when we we got it, minus 10 with minus 10. Okay, so this x minus 10 and then x minus 10 equal to 0. They are equal. So we can just write it as x minus 10 equal to 0. So x equal to 10 only. Here, let us make it one equation. So divide by 5 all term. It's going to be x squared minus by 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Isn't it? Okay, so x minus 2 and then x minus by 2 equal to 0. So we got it, x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to, there it is. This question, let us make it this x disappear. So both of sides we multiply by x. It's going to be x squared plus 5x equal to 14. Here we can do the left side. So x squared plus 5x equal to minus 14 equal to 0. Okay, from minus 14, it's going to be x with x again. When we addition, it's going to be 5. But when we multiply, equal to minus 14. Okay, we got it, plus 7 and minus 2 equal to 0. So first x plus 7 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 7. Or second option, x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 2. There it is. Thank you.